Unlocking financial freedom through strategic investments refers to the process of making deliberate and well thought out financial decisions to create wealth and achieve long term financial independence. Strategic investments involve allocating your resources, such as money and time, into assets that have the potential to grow and generate income over time. The key concepts behind this idea include long term perspective. Strategic investments prioritize long term gains over short term fluctuations. They often involve holding onto investments for extended periods to benefit from compounding returns. Diversification. Spreading your investments across different asset classes, industries, and geographic regions can help reduce risk. Diversification can mitigate the impact of poor performance in one area by the positive performance in another. Research and education. To make informed investment decisions, it's crucial to research and understand the investments you're considering. This includes analyzing market trends, evaluating potential risks, and studying the historical performance of different asset types. Income generation. Strategic investments often focus on assets that provide regular income streams, such as dividend-paying stocks, rental properties, or bonds. This income can help sustain your financial needs and provide stability during market fluctuations. Risk management. While all investments carry some level of risk, strategic investors assess and manage risks by selecting assets aligned with their risk tolerance and financial goals. Adaptability. Financial markets change over time, and strategic investors remain adaptable. They adjust their investment portfolio based on changing market conditions, economic trends, and personal circumstances. Patience and discipline. Achieving financial freedom through strategic investments requires patience and discipline. It's essential to stay focused on your long-term goals, even during periods of market volatility. Ultimately, unlocking financial freedom through strategic investments involves making intentional choices that align with your financial objectives, risk tolerance, and time horizon. It's a journey that requires careful planning, ongoing learning, and a commitment to managing your resources wisely.